Nestled amidst a pine forest in Azul, Argentina, the AV House by BAK Architects embodies honest architecture at one with nature. The house sits on a sloping site, where the topography is not altered or challenged, but rather carefully embraced to create a harmonious relationship between the building and its natural landscape. From a distance, the house appears to be a simple concrete mass rising from the ground. However, this simplicity is deceptive. Behind its massive facade lies a well-thought-out design strategy. Exposed concrete is used not simply as a structure, but as a powerful and timeless architectural expression. The texture of the wooden formwork on the concrete surface provides a visual warmth that blends with the surrounding tree trunks. The layout follows the contours of the land. The main axis is in the center, connecting the spaces, rising to the sleeping area and descending to the more private living areas. This circulation is not only functional but also creates a spatial experience that follows the natural movement of the slope, making each step feel like part of the journey. Glass is used extensively to open up views to the forest, creating a constant dialogue between the interior and exterior. Natural light penetrates through the trees, filtering into the space and creating a serene atmosphere, as if the house is breathing with its surroundings. There is no rigid boundary between inside and outside, only a gentle, natural transition. The interior is defined by the same honest materials as the exterior: concrete, glass, and wood. There is no excessive decoration, just a composition of materials that speaks with honesty and balanced proportions. Each element is designed to create visual tranquility and emotional stability, reflecting BAK Architects' philosophy of beauty born of simplicity. Climatically, the house benefits from the natural protection of the surrounding trees. The shade of the pines reduces direct solar heat, while the thermal mass of the concrete helps maintain a stable indoor temperature. This is a form of passive sustainability, a design that is intelligent, not because of high technology, but because of a deep understanding of the natural context. AV house is not a house that seeks to dominate its environment, but rather one that chooses to dialogue with it. It demonstrates that true architecture is not always about monumentality or complex forms, but about balance between structure and landscape, between materials and light, between humans and the natural world that surrounds them.